Bubbles?
Bubbles, good job.
Good job. There's Penelope's Bubbles. She says, what happened to the bubbles? Bubbles! Bubbles! Oh, they're so pretty, aren't they? Bubbles are so pretty. Bubbles are so pretty. Happy Easter, Bubbles! Oh, you found an Easter basket. Hey, that matches your Easter basket. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, look at that Hello Kitty. She's as soft as a little lamb. What is it, Penelope? Are you showing Daddy your kitty? Yeah. Oops, Mommy found an egg.